Hi guys, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I've done a series of things stuck on top of radio controlled cars to make them radio controlled. I've been doing recently a series of inflatable items from Poundland. Over on the left there is my Revel Lion 4-wheel drive car, which has currently got a yellow Beetle body shell on it. That one's actually got a dead motor in it, so that's waiting for me to replace the motor. Next to that we got the package for the, zoom in a bit, the jumbo inflatable banana. That was the first one of the Poundland series I did. Apologies for the creaking tripod. We've got the crocodile, we've got the monkey. I've lost the packaging for the monkey, but I have still got the monkey. Then we've got inflatable whale, I did the football because it's currently the World Cup, Football World Cup going on at the moment. We've got the inflatable clownfish, and then inflatable beach ball. The majority of these I've had to put on top of the Maisto Extreme Beast because I killed the motor in the Revel Lion. So I think I've done all of the current Poundland series of inflatable beach toys or bath toys or pool toys, but they are doing some other inflatable items. Just zoom out again. They're doing inflatable bags. I just showed this one to my wife and she said, oh, they're very popular at the moment apparently. This is a what do you call it? This one just goes under your shoulder bag, I suppose you call it. So I'm going to do this one for now, and I'm just going to do it in the back garden because I've cut the grass, so I'm hoping that the Maisto will survive driving around on the grass, because I have burnt out the motor when it gets stuck in grass before now. So I'll blow this up, stick it on top, and we'll run it around. There's quite a few different colours, but I've no intention of going out and buying every different colour variation for it. And there is one other shaped bag as well, but this will do for now. Well, that was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? Oh no, I've killed the motor. I have. Oh, crazy. Oh, that was short and sweet. It cannot cope with grass. Completely dead. Well, I guess that means we might get to try out the new motor earlier than expected. I'll put a link in the video description to my postbag episode where this one arrived. Still, that'll be a separate video, swapping that over. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.